To have one source of truth, you need to make sure that you are set up on the correct platform using the correct subscription and the type of folders that are built for business. So having the right folders is absolutely critical. And what we're looking at right now is Google Workspace Business Standard. There's Business Starter, which starts for $6 per month US per account. This is the $12 per month per account, or premium for 18, or enterprise is, custom quote. So we need Business Standard because we need shared drives. And shared drives are a totally different type of folder than My Drive is. My Drive is based on individual ownership. If I create a folder in My Drive, I share it with you and your email address, and you put a file in my folder, you own that file. So when we're in business and we're hiring a contractor to create stuff for us, and we share a folder and say, hey, I want you to put all of your stuff in here, when they put it in, they still own it. So if they don't know what they're doing, and 2 years down the road, they start cleaning up their files, and they delete all of the files that they created for you, thinking that they already delivered it and that they're duplicates, they go bye-bye from you. So you need to make sure you're set up with the right type of folders, and this is shared drives. And so on Dropbox, it's Team Drive, same thing with OneDrive, Box.com. They all have a business level subscription and specific types of folders that you use for those environments, and that changes the ownership of it. All of the others have that individual ownership and have that same sort of issue that My Drive has with individual ownership. So make sure you're on a business subscription. And then from there, you want to think about, how does your business run? What is it that you're delivering? What's the deliverable? And we want to think about setting up our folder structure based around what we do and the functions of our business. So every business is going to have the same core set of folders. We've got HR, we have legal stuff that we have to do, we have operations, we have to have marketing, and there's finance. So what else do you do? We're a service-based business, and so we have clients. So inside of clients is we have a folder for each client. That's where the terms and conditions are that they've signed, the proposal or contract that we created and downloaded a PDF after they've signed it, the notes, all of the assets around a specific client are in that folder. So that's how we organize that. We also have content for the website, the training material that we have internally that we're constantly updating of our own resources, and then we have a different type of business that we do kind of in the background called MSP, so managed service provider, and so that's its own separate section. They are clients, but it's a different type of the business, and I'm operating in MSP different than I'm operating in the clients folders, and so that makes sense to our business to have that separate. So this is what you want to think about for setting up kind of your core folder structure, and everything related to the business needs to go in here. And then you're sharing with your employees or contractors and maybe even clients individually. Some of them you may be sharing the top level. So one of our employees, Scotty or Annie, they have access to clients. They have access to content. They don't have access to finance or HR. So you get to choose what level of access from that top level of the entire shared drive, or just subfolders in between or underneath, or individual files as well. So you still get those sharing options, and that's where you start drilling down from there and decide what you want to share, who you want to share it with.